Okay, this snowstorm was not on the schedule.
The power's glitching in the Raptor paddock. It's going off and on. Why can't we just relax and drink hot chocolate and make snow angels?
Raptor fence deactivated.
That's not good.
Raptor 1 has escaped.
Did it just...
Yes, it did.
Well, only the orange one. The other dinosaurs are still in their paddocks. Okay.
Oh, only the orange one got out. Great. I guess that's somewhat reassuring.
Okay, well, I'm going to go live. Due to the winter storm being very powerful, all guests please come back inside. Thank you. Well, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, I think you should do something about this mess. Thank you.
Okay, I'm all geared up and ready to go find this raptor in this blizzard. Oh, raptor tracks, let's follow them. Oh my gosh, the tank's frozen. Oh, this raptor is right here. Oh no! My tranquilizer gun's not working. Okay. My train's not working! Oh my! Stop! Stop! Go! Go! Faster! Faster! What? Faster! Faster! Okay, the thing goes to the resort, I'm pretty sure. Stop! What?
Do not start a snowball fight with a dinosaur.
Okay, how am I gonna get it in its cage? Oh, I have an idea.
We're never opening up in winter again. I'm just going to the Bahamas from now on.